It doesn't matter how long I've had to sit here minding my brood. Those little heads all soft and downy, the baby pods all golden browny, their beaks constantly open waiting for food.